today I'm super excited, guys, because today, guys, I am gonna show you slime. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell so you can be part of my channel, guys. This is not a normal slime that you just can get it. This slime is a Smiggle slime. That's very nice. Let's make it's like a armor. Like this is Smiggle, and then here is a Smiggle. Then here is like a armor Smiggle. This one. The next video, I'm gonna open that slime pack. But today I will open this unicorn glitter poop. There's this unicorn. It's so glittery. And I got this Smiggle stretchy glue. For today, I'm gonna open them. So let's get started, guys. Okay, these are Smiggle, guys. These are real Smiggle. I just my dad bought it today. He just bought it for me. Oh, it have the wrapper, so I am opening it. I never played it before because if I play it, I need to already push the plastic up. Okay, get this slime. Then my first slime, and I've seen them before. These are some Smiggle, guys. Oh, there's a glitter. And get some of that. Okay. Mommy, can you open it? I'm gonna open this one. These are the stretchy glue. You can get it from Smiggle shop only, guys. You can't get it from another shop except Smiggle shop. So I got this slime. It might be long because to come from Smiggle. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's scented. Okay, let's see. Okay, that feels very nice actually. But it's kind of sticky a little bit because sometimes from the airplane, like from the Singapore, that my dad go to Singapore and buy this from Smiggle shop, it might be long to come to the country that I live, and it might yeah, mommy, yeah, because sometimes the airplane needs a long time to the slime might be going water, but this is very cool. This slime. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh. Okay, that right there. I'm gonna put one. Look at that. It's just stuck to my hand, but. Okay, let's take some more. Okay. Ooh, what is that? Oh. Slime. That is just, oh no. Oh, okay. Okay, just going to. Oh no. Okay. So I got this very pinkish slime. It's very glittery. Sometimes it's kind of sticky. Like I said, because sometimes the elephant come and it look a long time, like an hour to go to my country, and that's gonna be long, so that's might be kind of sticky. you can't hear it, but it's very pokey. So I got this like unicorn, big unicorn, like a Pegasus. I need to play with it now, right? Okay. Very soft. It's not scented. It's not scented at all. It's just very stretchy. Not very pokey, but still. Okay, let's put some more of them. Okay, let's put off them. Let's try. That's just come on. Guys, the glitter is at the bottom. It's all at the bottom. Okay, I think that is enough. Okay. So the ball out. Okay, okay, I got this one. I got this unicorn. Okay, I'm gonna put it. Guys, the orange one is like the little like sparkle, but like foam beads. It's in here, but very small foam bead. Can you hear that? It's not very that pokey, but still very pokey. I think it's gonna be more pokey than this, but Smiggle slime, it's very like stretchy, very nice color, and it's a little bit sticky, but it's still very pokey, guys. Okay, let's poke it. I'm gonna rate it a 9.8. It's very good color, and it's very glittery, and it's very stretchy. Kind of like pokey, but it's kind of sticky. So I don't like sticky slime. So that's why I'm not gonna give it a 10. I love this slime. Let's see if it make bubble. Okay. See if it make bubble. I don't think it's gonna very make bubble. Oh, it smells like strawberry. That smells very nice. Ew. Okay. I'm gonna put off salt. I don't know. I don't like that. Okay. Put it there. Okay. Off here. Okay. Okay. It's very bubbly. Let's put it in. Okay. Next slime. I got this slime. The stretchy goo slime. Hey. Why? How it's opened? How we gonna open it? Oh, I want mommy to help me, but I don't know where she is. I'm gonna call her and see in a bit. Guys, I just found the way to open it. I just do like this, and I found it's another like this. I hate them. Scissors. I hope. Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels very nice. Okay. It's stretchy, gooey slime. It's very pokey. It's just very stretchy and pokey and nice colored. Let's see if it can do a bubble. Ooh, let's see about that. Oh, it feels so nice. It scented like milk. The smell is like milk, like bread. It's kind of nice, the smell, but I love how it's stretched, how it's poked. It's so stretchy and pokey, and a nice color. So I'm gonna take all of this out so there's no problem with that. Okay, let's open this one. Okay, this one doesn't have any of these, but it's very nice. Okay, good. I don't know which one is my favorite one out of two of this one, but this one is more pokey than this one, but then it's more stretchy because this is a stretchy gooey slime, of course. But this is more like pokey and like have glitter because this one is not have glitter. But this one is a good bubble than this one. But this one is kind of hard. I think the one that I like is this one. It's more stretchy and it is very nice. So it's both like it, but I think this one is my favorite one. I'm gonna take this a little bit and a little bit from here and mix it. Let's see what's like how it's gonna be good. Okay, I have mixed it. It is this color, but it's so stretchy like this one, but it's pokey like this one. So I'm gonna mix it in. Oh, wow. This is so stretchy. Who is that? Oh my gosh, that is so stretchy. Let's try to make another bubble. Okay. Very nice. I love this slime much better than this one because I feel like this one is more softer than this one, but I'm not very sure about that. So yes, I like this one much better than this one, but then it's more pokey. Let's try. I'm gonna try to make a big. Ooh! Oh, it's a milk bubble. It is very pokey. I think I like normal slime much better than Smiggle slime because Smiggle slime is not really like my type of favorite one. This one cannot make a bubble. I not really like this one, but I love this one. Oh, which one? I'm gonna put this one. Which? Okay, I'm gonna put. Okay, this one. Hi. I'm just gonna play with my favorite one and try to make another bubble. Oh no. Oh, I didn't get it. I'm gonna try to make another bubble and that's gonna be it for this video. I need to make a bubble. No, never mind, guys. Guys, this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and we will see you next time. What was that? Goodbye.